Gider I at gå derover i hjørnet, fordi så er der mindre noise. Hi, welcome to Neets here at ISE 2020. Today I'm going to introduce you to a first product from Neets called Solvo. Solvo is the solution for smaller conference rooms, huddle spaces, where you have typically a webcam, display, soundbar, or a webcam, microphone. All the devices you have in your conference room, you will connect to Solvo. When those devices are connected, you have, for the end customer, end user, one cable that you plug into your laptop. When you do that, it automatically turns on soundbar, camera, webcam, and the display. When you're done presenting or having the meeting, you just unplug the cable. And since it's CEC controlled, it automatically turns off the system again. So for the presenter or the user, this is really, really user-friendly. So any small conference room or huddle room should have this. For more information, please go to our website, neets.dk. Thank you.